When you are a savvy, ambitious entrepreneur, sometimes you find yourself juggling multiple things at once, which leaves you frustrated and overwhelmed. Now, if this sounds like you, here are 4 productivity apps to help you break through your frustration. Hey Lady Moguls, it's time for your Mogul Minute with Avery. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I've been able to create systems that allow me to run my business straight from my phone. Now, in case you're new here, the long story short is I can run my business from my phone. So I thought to myself that the Lady Mogul community would probably like to know some apps that can help them do the same. And I was able to put this to the test while sitting in my doctor's appointment last week. Number 1, an app called Prism. This is a new addition to my systems management, but it's an app that I truly love, and it helps you keep track of your bills. Before the Prism app, I would basically write down all of the bills that I had coming up in my planner, along with the due date and the amount owed. So if a bill were due today and it were paid, I would strike it out in my planner. However, with Prism, it keeps track of all the bills for you. So as opposed to me manually writing it out every time that I have bills or going back into my bank account to see if I missed any bills, all I have to do in the Prism app is set it one time and it reoccurs each month. So now when the bill comes up, all I have to do is mark it as paid. Talk about saving me time and not wasting any more energy on manual processes. Number 2 is the app called Daily Planner. Now, if you use the free version, which I currently use, you get 3 goals that you can set aside per day. So say if you want to journal more or meditate more, you can nicely put this in your app and it keeps track of your progress throughout the day. It also sends friendly reminders when you haven't accomplished a task. So if you're trying to break a habit or add a new habit to your routine, this is a great way to hold you accountable when you're just beginning. Number 3, Google Docs, which is different from the Google Drive app. Earlier this month, I mentioned how I am writing my first book, which I am thrilled about. So while I was sitting in my doctor's appointment waiting to be seen, I was able to edit chapters and the outline of my book while just sitting there. Otherwise, it would have been idle time that I would have wasted. Also, Google Docs houses my marketing campaign, my financial projections, and other things that are important to my business. So if I'm on the go and I need to get to those templates or documents quickly, all I have to do is check my phone. It really makes managing life on the go easy. And finally, the Trello app. Trello houses all of my brand operation systems, such as mapping out the onboarding process, product order fulfillment, also my clients' progress, and so much more. So if I say need to onboard a new client, I have the checklist right at my fingertips, and in conjunction with my other apps that I use on my phone, there are so many, but with those apps, I am able to send them everything that they need, and it keeps me in check and accountable to ensure that I give consistent results even if I'm not sitting at my computer. So that's how I manage my business systems and personal life. Now, the Savvy Systems Masterclass is sold out, but you will be able to catch the replay and the bonuses that go with it in the Mogul shop, which I am absolutely excited about. I have been working behind the scenes to bring you quality apparel, mugs, and so much more, such as classes and tools that will help your business as well. Stay tuned for a special announcement of when the doors officially reopen. I can't wait for you to see my vision come to life. Thank you, ladies, for watching. This has been your Mogul Minute with Avery.